Okay, so to answer some questions on our homework packet. First, let's go back to page 156 to 157 there. We didn't go over that last hour. Let's do that now. Maybe give you some answers if you would like. So starting on page 156. Number 1 is asking us find the perimeter of a rectangle that is 8 inches long by 5 inches wide. So you're just going to add up the four sides, which would give you a perimeter of 26 inches. Number 2, find the area of that triangle. Well, 5 times 8 would be 40 square inches, or 40 inches squared. 3, perimeter of the parallelogram is 30, no units given. Area is 40. Number 5, the area of the square is 9 square feet. 6, the perimeter would be 12 feet. 7, perimeter of that square would be 25. The area of that square would be 25. 8, the rectangle would have a length of 25 feet. 9, the perimeter would be 66 feet. 10, the perimeter of that figure is 56 feet. 11, the area is 180. And 12, the area is 154 square feet. Any questions on those first 12? Any of those you want me to go over? Like number 7, the square has a perimeter of 20 feet. Well, since squares have equal sides, you divide by 40, the length of the side to be 5 feet, so the area has to be 5 times 5 or 25 square feet. Okay, flipping over to 157 then. Dealing with rectangles on 13 through 16. 13, the width is 4, and the area is 40. Number 14, the width is 12, the perimeter is 56. 15, the perimeter is 47 feet 6 inches. The area is 129.625 square feet. 16, the length is 30 feet. The area is 780 square feet. Any questions on those four?
What's that last one?
780 square feet for the area. Length was 30. Number 17, rectangular window. The area will be 4.167 square feet. Number 8, actually going to the nearest square foot, so that'd be 4 square feet. All right, number 18, 2,184 square inches. 19, it'll cost $16.02. 20, 198 square feet. 21, $614.90. 22, 47 tiles. 23, 112 square feet. 24, $1,937.50. And 25, 144 square feet. Any questions on any of those? So we're saying the triangles, rectangles, parallelograms, we're pretty good at trapezoids. So moving up to our circles. You said you had a question, Dustin, on one of those? You're good? I'm assuming you're not all done with the circles yet. We'll hold off on answering any questions on those for a while. I didn't say the quiz was going to be easy. I just said I have stuff I've all shown you.
Yeah, we've had stuff so far where, well, it's in the next chapter, we're going to get it.
Just a little reminder of stuff for you. Let's say we have something that is 7 square yards and I want to convert it into square feet. Is that going to be 21 square feet? Probably, since I'm asking, the answer would be no, right? How many square feet are in a square yard? 9, because 3 by 3. 3 feet in a yard, but a square yard is squared, so it's going to be times 9. That's going to be 63 square feet in a square yard, in 7 square yards. How about this one? If I'm going from square meters into square centimeters, well, on the chart, to get from meters to centimeters is 2 spots to the right, correct? So I got to double it. Yep. So I've got to double how far. If this were just meters to centimeters, if this were 0.028 meters into centimeters, I just move the decimal point once for every spot on the chart, right? I'd go 1, 2, this would be 2.8 centimeters. But since it's squared, each spot on the chart is 2 decimal places now. It's 100 instead of 10. So it's 2 spots on the chart, means I have to double that, so I have to move 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 280. Or if I had 360 millimeters squared going into centimeters squared. Millimeters to centimeters is 1 spot to the left on the chart, which means we have to move how many decimal places? 2, double that. So we got from here go 1, 2, 3.6 centimeters squared. Look familiar? You should now officially be ready for the quiz. The quiz is pretty much going to take up the rest of our hour. So what I'll have you do is when you're done with the quiz, if you just want to finish off the second hour working on the homework out of the packet, and we'll call that a day.